This is Barretta. We're going from the Arizona Beach Resort. Arizona Beach Resort. Now Wednesday, 9 p.m. Also bars here. In Vatap, take a look, it's bar. Вот is this. Resort, вот. Pizza. Hi. Blue Butterfly Bar. Coldest beer, beautiful woman. Oh, good. Oh, beautiful woman. Yeah. Massage, oh, massage. Massage? How much massage? 400 peso. Oh, you took a look, two red, big red, like cat. Massage also, massage. Let's girls also with flower. Massage. It's massage. It's massage. And bar also. Show girl. Okay, show girl. This is bar? Bar with girls? This. This show girl name, yes? Okay. What time open? What time close? From 2 a.m. close. Open. From open what time? Open.
6.
From 6 to 2. Okay, thank you. We will come back maybe. Thank you. What is this? I?
Cheap Charlie's.
What name?
Cheap Charlie's.
It's Cheap Charlie bar now here. I remember this bar maybe 10 years ago. Cheap Charlie, yeah. Central Park. Reef. Take a look, these girls sit in the side of the road. Maybe I will come back and take video. Shira said it's lady boys, okay? What is this? Bar? Great waitress. Buy one, take one. Buy one, take one girl, it's mean, not? Not? Okay. I cough. Rock Lobster bar. I don't have girls. Before I stay in this palm tree resort, it's nice place. And now 1760. Also bars. Bar with girls. What name of bar? Lux? Lux bar? Or not? Там sports bar. Roses. Hello. From 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Ага. Oh, one girl asking, come inside. Invite to the bar. Ага. Already don't have bar in this side. Need to go.
We go there.
Yes, we go into another side. Мгм. Ага. How to go inside? Drink. I use card. Can.
Drink tea or what is the size
Tea or
tea?
something.
He
Not
said,
alcohol. I mean, you want drink?
Okay, let's go first to another side. Another side. Rock and roll. Ага. Good.
Yes.
Live music. Live music.
Rock
Queen
and roll, we
Victor-
have live band here. Nice
Really?
live band.
Yeah.
Right here.
Rock and roll. Like
We want to check another walk, another bars. Check, take a look. We just arrived.
No?
Later.
We have to go.
Because just arrived only. Ну, ресторан. Johansson ресторан. Don't have people now. Maybe closed. Restaurant. Oh, this restaurant is full of people. Restaurant full of people now. Take a look. Hi?
Thailand food.
Thailand food? What's why so many people?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Lady. Smoking lady. Korean ресторан. Paradise Hotel. Also bar. What name? Barret, I don't know. What name? What name of bar? I don't know name. His name.
Maybe we go inside.
This bar?
Yeah.
I know have this one have. Yes, maybe after renovation is better. Maybe this in second floor. Barcelona.
But is this good?
Uh,
Yeah, other bar because more people there.
maybe in the top. What do you think? Barcelona. We can take a look in Barcelona. And I take video from outside, from the roof.
Okay.
We now in Barcelona in the rooftop. here. In front of By the Sea. By the Sea Hotel. And we waiting. We order drinks here. And girls have in the down floor. This is Cheap Charlie. It's Cheap Charlie bar. Maybe you already watched it before I talk with doorman. We've been in Barcelona in the rooftop. Very nice place.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Salamat. Travel right, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello, Sam.
Hello.
Voodoo here.
Voodoo,
Yeah,
okay.
voodoo nice. Many girls.
Okay, thank you. Voodoo. Cubic bar, Cubic. It does not matter bar. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you everyone. We're going to the Pampanga right now.